Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung runs One UI and the app is already installed. This avoids permission delays. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Advanced Features or Apps depending on model. You need quick access to app shortcuts or widgets, so find Apps, then tap the three dots or the app list. Make sure to grant any required permissions for the app now, because missing permissions will block creating a functional shortcut later. Once on your home screen, long press empty space and choose widgets or shortcuts from the menu. Next, locate the app's widget entry or a shortcut option such as direct activity, deep link, or specific action. This is where behavior is defined. Drag the chosen widget or shortcut to the home screen and release. You'll often see configuration options. If prompted, select the exact activity or account. Make sure the placement doesn't collide with folder. You finish by resizing or long press editing the shortcut to confirm its action and label. This helps recognition. If the shortcut doesn't open the expected screen, check app permissions and verify the app supports widgets or activities. Many apps restrict shortcuts. If problems persist, restart the launcher or reboot the phone to refresh widget services. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the launcher cache and app cache before reinstalling the widget, because stale cache often blocks new shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.